Welcome dear students to online classes, Standard 5th, Subject E.V.S. 2, Lesson number 7, From Shelter to Village Settlement. In previous chapter, we have learned about Stone Age and Stone Tool. In this chapter, we will learn what was the process of village settlement from shelter and how did the village settlement took place from shelter. In this lesson, we will learn sub-point is given 7.1 Shelter, 7.2 Seasonal Camp, 7.3 Village Settlement. Now we will start the first point of shelter. Shelter means a place given temporary protection from bad weather or danger. In Middle Stone Age, the climate was Europe was extremely cold. To protect themselves, Neanderthals wore leather clothing and made use of fire. The temperature was so cold that perhaps that was not enough. Therefore, they returned inside the caves and kept themselves warm. In this base, we can say that to protect themselves from the freezing temperature, Neanderthals took shelter and learned to erect them. 7.2 Seasonal Camp. As we know that the people took shelter to protect themselves from cold weather, they also learned erect inside the cave. During Middle Stone Age, climate in Europe was getting warmer. Everywhere the environment was changing, and due to the environment change, which animals like mammoth were on the way to extinct, so they were about to die. So you cannot see mammoth on the earth. The mammoth was an ancestor of elephant. However, it was much bigger in size compared to elephant. Homo sapien hunted small animals like wild boar, deer, mountain goat and sheep. And they also turned to fishing. They also changed diet pattern, enable the group of Homo sapien to roam to far away regions. So they also cleared jungles, forests and settled camps. They also moved their camp to different places according to the seasonal changes. After that, they harvested seasonal white grain and gathered seasonal fruits and roots, and undertook fishing, hunting, and day by day they stay longer period of time. In this way, they established camp over the world. In Middle Stone Age, the reconstruction seasonal camp. Village settlement. In village settlement, the life of human in New Stone Age was completely different. During this period, humans began to produce the food grain and they also learned to produce different types of food. However, the agriculture make it possible to store food and use it over the longer period of time. Hence, it is no need to keep moving constantly. So the nature of agriculture work made it necessary to stay in one place and people established permanently in village settlement. We can say that because of farming, because of agriculture, people established permanent village settlement and lived in generation after generation. So the village settlement emerged in New Stone Age. This is a picture of village settlement of New Stone Age. I hope everyone understood this lesson. Thank you.